The Bond is the best option available for connecting your regular ceiling fan to your smart home. By emulating the fan's remote signals, the Bond allows you to control your fan over Wi-Fi with a smartphone, tablet, or home voice assistant. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your new Bond device with almost any remote control ceiling fan. To install the Bond, you will need your ceiling fan's remote, your new Bond device, a smartphone or tablet, and a Wi-Fi connection. Before getting started, verify that your ceiling fan is properly paired with the remote and that all fan functions are working correctly. Plug your Bond into a power outlet with the included power cord and adapter. The light ring will be white for up to a minute as the device boots up. The ring will begin to flash green when it is ready to be configured. On your smartphone or tablet, visit the App Store and download the Bond app. Once installed, open the app and create a new account. Press the Add a New One button to configure your Bond. Allow access to your device's location. Wait a few moments for the Bond Wi-Fi network to appear. Select your Bond network. Sign into your home's Wi-Fi network. Allow a few minutes for the configuration and setup to complete, then press Done. With the Bond successfully configured, you can now add your ceiling fan to the Bond's hub. Press the Add Device icon. Choose Ceiling Fan as the device type. Select a function from the menu that is available on your remote control, such as the power button. Bring your remote up to the Bond and press Next on the app. Press and hold the button on the remote for the selected function. Release the button once the ring turns green. On some models, you may receive a prompt for a remote check. Flip to the back of your remote to locate the FCC ID number. Use that number to select the correct remote in the app. Now you can test the Bond to ensure the device was properly configured. Select a function from the app and verify that the fan receives the command. Test a few more buttons, then press Yes to complete the setup. Finally, select the settings icon on the top right corner. You can use this menu to give your device a name and select its location in your home. With the setup completed, your ceiling fan is now ready to control from your smartphone or tablet. You can adjust the fan speeds or toggle the light through the Bond app. Any other functions found on the original remote, such as light dimming, will also be available to use. Congratulations! You have successfully converted your regular ceiling fan into a smart home device. If you have any questions or need assistance with your Bond, visit the Bond website at bondhome.io. Thank you for watching.